Your voicemail settings will be configured by your administrator, and depending on the settings, you may receive notification of voicemail messages in different ways. This could be an email notification with a voicemail file attached. Or you could see your voicemail icon in your sidebar change to display a red button with your voicemail messages number enclosed. Or if you have a handset, you may receive a notification on that. To access your voicemail, click on the voicemail icon in your sidebar. This will display your voicemail messages. Click on the voicemail message you would like to listen to. Select the Click to Start Playing button to listen to the message. You can use the slider bar to rewind or fast forward the message. You can use the call icon to phone back the person that left the voicemail. This will only be an option if the caller displayed their caller ID. If the voicemail caller is not in your contacts, you can click on the Create Contact button to add them as a contact. Or if they are already a contact, you can change their contact state. Please see the Add Contact training segment for more information on this. You can delete the voicemail message from here. When you press the Delete button, you will receive a pop-up window warning you that the voicemail message will be permanently deleted. If you would like to continue and delete the message, noting this cannot be recovered, select the Yes button. Or you can delete all your voicemail messages from the Delete button here. Again, when pressed, you will receive a warning pop-up. If you would like to continue and delete all your voicemail messages, noting they cannot be recovered, select the Yes button.